Okay, y'all, so let me get this gum out of my mouth. Okay, so I just left the outlet. I did grab something, so I'm gonna go ahead and show it to y'all real quick. I did film also, so the new releases and everything that dropped today, you have probably already seen if you watched my Wednesday video, because I was there on Wednesday at the new releases, but I was only there for maybe 30-40 minutes, so I went in and just filmed the things that were new. So we didn't do like a whole big walkthrough like I did the last time. I really just focused on the new pieces, whether it was new silhouettes, colors, or materials. That's what I pretty much focused on. So if you haven't seen that video, I suggest you go ahead and watch that one first and then come back to this one. This is just going to be a quick reveal, unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it, about so let me go ahead and just pull it out. But let me actually show you what I got from the new drop. So one thing, I did speak to one of the sales reps there, because this black cherry, whatever they call it, is so freaking cute. But there were no rogues in there. Like, I didn't see, why do I keep saying rogue when I mean Rowan? There weren't any Rowans in there. I didn't see any. She said the Rowans were like online only. And I've had a really busy morning. I was up at like 6:30. I had a Zoom meeting at 8:30. I have not had time to get online to even see what was what. I just drove out here as soon as my Zoom meeting was over so that I could pick up what I got and then film the new releases. So I didn't know what was online. But anyway, apparently the Rowan in this collection is like online only. So don't go to the store thinking that you're going to get it. Now, this is coming from a sales associate. So if this information is not accurate now or by the time you watch this video, please don't charge it to me. I'm just relaying the information that was provided to me at the store. But so I did go ahead and get a notebook, because I was like, I know I want something from this collection. Let me go ahead and get a notebook. And I also had the pencil case, but I put it back because I was like, I didn't come in here to spend $100 on accessories, especially if it wasn't anything that I was going to be using with what I picked up today. But I just thought this was so cute, so there was no way I could not get it, right? The leather is so soft, and I don't know if the phone or camera's gonna pick this up, but there's like just a tad, like a small hint of sparkle on the cherries. Not a whole lot, but just like a little bit. These cherries also have some texture to them. They're raised. So what it feels like is that the leather is actually embossed with like a cherry silhouette, and then they added like paint or something on top of that. Like, that's kind of what it feels like. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it is a really, really nice piece. Let's see what the inside. So the inside is that oxblood color, like most of the ones that they make. So yeah, and then it's got the little, y'all know what these notebooks look like. But yeah, I just had to get something from that cherry collection just in case I didn't get anything else. I could be cajoled into getting the Rowan if it's still available. We'll just have to see. But let's get into the main reason I came out here today, besides filming these new releases, of course. And if you've been with me for any amount of time, especially if you've been watching my videos within the last few weeks, then this should be no surprise to you. But I did go ahead and pick up the Elodie. So I got it in maple because I don't have anything in maple. And I think the maple is just such a gorgeous, gorgeous chocolate brown color. Like, look at this, y'all. And then again, y'all, this Smith leather is just everything. You got this ginormous, very generous back pocket with the magnetic closure. You have a really generous front pocket as well. Your phone would fit in either pocket. Now, of course, it would be more convenient to put it in the back than the front because you wouldn't have to open it up to get to it, but it could fit in here also if you just wanted it to be a little more secure. And then this inside is all microfiber, huge, just main compartment with the zipper compartment here. And then this bag has silver hardware. And then you got your two handles here, so you can wear this as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. So they're calling this bag the Elodie crossbody on the website, and I think I've been calling it the shoulder bag this whole time, because to me this is a nice size bag. I just would not consider this a crossbody, even though it could be worn as a crossbody. So I placed this order online for pickup, and when it said crossbody in the pickup order, I started wondering if maybe they released a smaller version and I bought the wrong one on accident, until I clicked on it and it took me to the website, and I saw that it was not a small smaller version of this. But anyway, y'all, this is all that I had. I just really want to come on here and show you this bag that I got. I didn't buy any SLGs to go with this bag because I've got plenty of stuff at home. Like, push come to shove, you know, the Louis Vuitton SLGs always go good with Coach and Dooney. So like, I could just use like my mini pochette cosmetic case and my LV wallet if I really wanted to. I don't really need to be that creative. So, and since I've got so much stuff at home already, I just wasn't in the mood to be buying SLGs just for the sake of buying them or just because I bought a new bag when I've got SLGs here at home that I don't even use. But anyway, like I said before, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I know this video was short, but that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to show you this bag. Y'all have already seen it. I just wanted to let you all know which one I decided to grab. So again, I got the Elodie crossbody. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and don't forget, if you're gonna get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.